I've got my fuel, and I'm leaving Morgab, and now heading back to Khorog along the M41, the actual Pamir highway, as opposed to along the Wakam Valley, which I came out here. It's 311 kilometers. I mean, it's been amazing here, but I've been traveling every day. The stays have been of variable quality, but nothing like a hotel room, private room. Would be kind of cool, just to chill for a few days. There's still some more tough riding to get back to Dushanbe even. So I'd rather do some laundry. I'm running out of clean clothes. Woo. Come on, road, stop climbing. It's gotta be the top. You wouldn't have stopped. This wind is cold. The weather is changing. Wasn't like this before. I think I better get out the vest so I'm not getting colder and colder. As well as the over gloves. Keep the hands a bit warmer. That does not look like a friendly cloud. Hope it's not bringing rain. Woo! Alright, I'm at 4,200 and I'm now in a blizzard. Oh, crazy. It's like a crazy crosswind. Now the snow has started. Passing some trucks. But yeah, it just come over those mountains. It looks like this dark cloud kind of coming in. And this wind hit. And now there's like snow. Woo! There's snow coming over those mountains. Woo! So I got over that crazy pass, and I heard there were hot springs here, so I went to the main hot springs that were on the map, but they were closed. So I kind of looked around because I was like too cold to continue. And then I found this place. They waved me in, and they had a hot spring, and it's kind of like a hostel. I think it's like a local one. And let me use the hot spring. They give me food, they give me tea. So I feel like a new man. I think I can do another 300 kilometers at this point. But no, I don't want to do that. I think it's another 125 kilometers, so I think I should be able to make it to Khorog today. So excited about that. Get a nice hotel there. I'm trying to think of all the things that aren't waterproof. It's not raining hard yet, so maybe it's okay. Probably the worst thing is this camera with the case on it. That's not waterproof. So I might have to take this thing off if it gets any worse. No, that's rain. That's full on rain. I'm just riding into it, I think. I need to find like at least a tree or something. Hello.
Do you speak English?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any problem or not?
I'm okay. I just I'm not wearing my rain gear. So I'm seeing if the rain will stop or I should put on the extra gear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want anything to eat or not?
I'm okay. I'm great. I'm just kind of seeing if this goes by.
Sorry. If you want to eat, okay, go to my house.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I'll see how the weather goes and then but thank you. It's great that you speak English. Thank you. Well, the rain has definitely picked up. I'm still 79 kilometers away, so I think, I mean, it's either I'm like halfway exactly from where I was before, so I think I might need to gear up. It looks like it might be passing by, so maybe I'll give it one more go. Back in Khorog after going through most of the Pamirs and sort of in a major city with a nice hotel right on the river, which is really nice. And I'm kind of evaluating the damage that has been done to the motorbike. And I've got sort of a broken turn signal. It's snapped, but that's just a bit of glue and probably some pipe kind of holders. So that's not a big deal. Bigger issue is that 20 kilometers from arriving, my rear shock completely failed, so now it's just a spring, and the motorbike just bounces but doesn't really kind of stop bouncing. It makes for an uncomfortable ride. So you can't get parts out here, especially for a motorbike like this. So after some discussion with local mechanics, and there's another motorbiker here on a Ducati, what we've done, and I don't know if you can see it, we've actually inserted rubber into the shock, these like rubber bushings, and then zip tied them in. So real botch job, but hopefully that will get me to the next city is the plan. So yeah, gonna leave tomorrow and see how long that lasts. Seems to work pretty well, and see how far I can get on this before we figure out kind of like next parts.